Chest supported neutral grip lateral pull down machine. Adjust the seat height to your height. Make sure your quad muscles are touching the pads. Chest is supported on the pad. Feet planted for additional power. Head upright, abdominal muscles tight. Then grabbing the neutral grips, come down on the eccentric motion slow and controlled with a full range of motion breathing in. With a slight pause, contract the lats, rear delts, rhomboids and lower trap muscles. Then coming back up on the concentric motion at a medium pace, not locking in the elbow joints at the top of the lift as we don't want to injure them over time. Then continuing each repetition with correct form and technique. I like to do around 70 to 85% of my 1 rep max for around 8 to 12 repetitions for hypertrophy, for around 40 to 50 seconds to complete muscular failure.